Next Wave CNC is focused on continuing to improve the performance and capabilities of our Shark CNCs. Our quality accessories, parts, and innovative tools are all designed to expand creative opportunities while providing maximum performance for our customers who own a Shark. The Next Wave CNC Shark HD500 was created for professional woodworkers and invested hobbyists everywhere. The HD500 comes partially assembled with a larger interlock T-slot bed with unlimited clamping customization, as well as 2 hold-down table clamps. The carbide V-bit included allows for precision carving, while its 7 inches of Z-travel gives you the ability to thicker stock than most machines on the market. The HD500 works with any standard router with a 3.5-inch diameter motor and accepts all Next Wave accessories, including the high-performance water-cooled spindle kit. The HD500 features a color touchscreen pendant and our patented Virtual Zero, which maps out your project using specific reference points, virtually eliminating problems caused by imperfections in the workpiece. Other key features include homing, auto on-off control, and ready-to-control CAM software for those who would rather operate their system by computer. All Next Wave CNC Shark machines include our Vectric design software, lifetime technical support, and industry-leading 2-year warranty. Next Wave CNC Shark HD500. World class. Made in USA.